Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to report phishing email in your Gmail app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner right here. Then go ahead and make sure you locate spam. So click on spam right here. And here you go. Then what you want to do right here is to locate a particular mail that is suspicious, like this particular mail right here. So I'm going to use it as an example. I'm going to click on it. Then here we go. We have it right here. Okay. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on report phishing. Message report as a phishing attack. It's that simple. Now you can see it right here. It has been flagged. It's that simple. And you can see right here that the mail has been flagged. With that, this particular email will no longer be able to send you mail any longer in your Gmail app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.